welcome to Life on Pig Road. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana milkshakes. But before I start, I have to wash my hands for 20 seconds. Oh, drop the soap there.
Why do you have to do that, Dee? Why do you have to wash your hands at the moment?
Because of lockdown and coronavirus. This is bananas. This is the milk. And this is the ice cream. Let's put them together.
What's next?
The milk. Now always ask for help from an adult. Because it's very dangerous. Because you might break something. Look at all that lovely milk. So listen here, always put on the lid or else there'll be a banana milkshakey explosion everywhere.
You're going to put the lid on then?
Now we'll put on the lid. And we're about to start the chop.
Go on.
Now it's finished. That looks yummy. That is absolutely wonderful. That's it for Life on Pig Road, but if you want to see more of me, like and subscribe.